The Hubpay Business Platform just got a major upgrade. Faster, smarter, designed to give UAE businesses complete control over global finances. Here's what's new. Everything starts from one intelligent dashboard. See every multi-currency account, named IBAN and transaction, plus your total balance across every wallet in AED or USD. Collect payments in minutes. Upload an invoice. Generate a payment link and accept card payments. Then let Auto Payout move funds directly to your corporate account automatically. Exchange across more than 150 currency pairs with live best FX pricing. Your most used currencies are always ready, so exchanging takes just seconds. Whether you're paying one supplier or hundreds, schedule one-time or recurring payments, track upcoming transfers and approvals, or send bulk payments across multiple currencies, all from one streamlined workflow. Introducing Cashflow. See scheduled payments alongside incoming funds, projected balances, and funding requirements so you always know what's coming next. With maker-checker approvals, statements, and information requests all in one place. Hubpay gives you everything you need to scale globally with confidence.